Welcome to the new session of animation. Today I'm going to teach you the animation. First of all, we need a lot of images. For a background, I will be using a mountain, and then I'll be using a road, and then there will be car, ambulance, a signal, and a traffic police. For this, we do not need any software which has to be paid. You can use your normal Windows and you just need a text document. Even in your iOS, you can use this. So first I'll open my new text document and then I'll edit with Notepad. So I press edit and it opens in my Notepad. First thing I have to do is go to File, Save As. I have to give the name like animation or any name you can give, but the extension should be .html. You can save as type as all files and you can save your file. So this file opens over here. Why do we save it in HTML? So you can open in Google Chrome. So if I right click and if I open in Google Chrome, my page opens. But right now I cannot see anything because there's no code written. So how to write a HTML code? So first I press edit. HTML is like a human being. So first for the human being to exist on earth, I have to write HTML. What uh, what tag you open in HTML, you are always supposed to close it. So first when I open HTML, I have to close it again. Like every human being has a head. So HTML also requires a head. So I start by head tag and like I said, I have to close my head tag. Second thing is I have to open my body tag and like I said, always close the body tag. So now my structure of my HTML code has finished. Now right now what do I require? I require a mountain. So like in body, if you want to show anything, like you want to show a tattoo, you want to show any parts, like you have to show your shirt. So you have to make a div. So I make a div and then I give it a tag. For tag, I can write class equal to mountain. Close the class and like always I have to close the div. Same thing below mountain, what I have to do, I have to make a road. Now I write class has road and I save my document. Now let me run it. I press right click, open with Google Chrome. There's nothing which has occurred. Why? Because I've just given a tag. I have not written the actual coding of it. So I have to again go to edit. So like I'm doing something. If you want to do some activity, it should first go into your head. So you're going to do that activity. The same thing like in head, I have to first write style. What style is the mountain? What color is the mountain? What size is in the mountain? I have to put it in style. So first I have to call a tag called dot mountain, correct? Now I want to set the mountain into this image. Image file is mountain dot png. Go to details, you can see the size. This is the width 820 and this is the height 326 as you can see over here. Then I want a road. I click road properties. Road is .jpeg and details is the height is 217, width is 852. I go to my HTML code again. Over here I have to write my height. First I write the image which I want to tag. So from that you have to do background dash image, then double quotes, and then I have to write URL. URL means where I'm taking the photo from this folder only, mountain.png and semicolon. What is the height of the image? It was 300 pixel. Now width, I want to make it into the whole screen, so I have to say 100%. If I say 50%, it will be half the size. Same thing, I have to go with the road. Now I press the road, images road dot jpg. Then height was 270, so I put 270. If I put 300, it will show the image plus again the upper part of the image because it exceeds the size of the height. So if I put 300 and I press save, I go to animation and press. You can see two images has been combined into one, but you won't be able to make the difference. So now our mountain is ready, our road is ready, our background is ready. Now we can start with the animation part. So how to do the animation part? Now I had the car, I had the ambulance. So first part is I'll put the car. So for car, I do not need to put div because div is something for the background which I use img, which is called as image. Then I have to give a tag to my image. I'm using car. Then I have to tell from where I'm picking up the image. So car images car.png, which I've saved in this folder. And then I give a height of the car, because if I save it like this and I press save, see the car size is so much. So if I reduce the height, it will reduce the width also. So I press style, then I give height as 50 pixel and I press save. See now my height of the car has become proper, but I want to place this car over here. So for that I have to call the tag of the car over here dot car. Now I have to say like this whole screen is my backdrop. For that I have to say position absolute, means this whole screen I can place the car wherever I want. So if I write top, so it means from top position where I want to place. So the height of normally this web page will be around 600 or 800 pixel. So from the height, if I want the card, so this looks like 380 pixel. And from the left side, I just want to put 20 pixel and I press save. Let us see what happens. See, the car is placed on the road. I want it a bit more below. So what do I do? In top, I increase it by 20 pixel and I save it. So my car now is proper on the road. Now I want to move this car from left to right. So what code should I write? So my first code will be @keyframes. For animation, you have to write @keyframes. Then I'll have to give a tag to the keyframe called as drive or anything. It is according to what you want to give. And then I put the curly braces on and off. Always when you start, you have to close. So now where the car is from, we have to write left side, it is from 20 px, the distance from the location and where I want to go. So left is 20. So this will be around 400. This will be 600. This will be 1200. So if I want to go from one screen to another screen, I have to write left around, I'll write 800 pixel and I'll save it. Now I have to tell this animation, this car to do the animation. So over here I have to write animation, the name of the keyframe, and in how many seconds you want it to go from left to right. So I want it to go left to right in 4 seconds. Then I put a semicolon and I save. So this goes from left to right over here. But it then see after the animation finishes, it goes behind back to its place. So I want it to finish the animation and be in that place for me. So I have to write animation fill mode, and then I have to write here forward. So whichever location it will finish the animation, it will stay over there. So I press enter, it goes to the final position and it stays there. Then the second thing is which I do is I'll put an ambulance going from the opposite direction. So I put a image file, and over here I make it into a ambulance tag, and then I put the PNG called ambulance. I'll just change the height into 150 or 140, and I press enter. Right now the ambulance has not come, because must have come over here below, because I have not given the position of it like in the car. So it's just same like the car. I just copy this car. I'll put ambulance, but now I want the ambulance to come from the right side. So instead of left, I write right. I will not give an animation right now. I'll just show my image. So I press here and I click over it. You can see the ambulance over here. It is below. I need it in the above, a bit above. So I go over here. Instead of 400, I write 360 will do, I guess. I'll save this and I press OK. Okay, 360 is a bit upwards. So I think 375 will do. And I press save. So now I want my ambulance to go from right to left. So same thing, what I'll do, I'll make a new keyframe for ambulance. I write drive, I can write drive ambulance. I'll take it from right to left. Right it was 20, and for left I'll make it go outside the page, and then I press save. Same thing, I'll have to give like an ambulance my animation, the name of the keyframe, and it should take 4 seconds. Then animation full fill mode forward for it to stop over there. Now let's see, press save, and I save it. But you can see my ambulance is going in a reverse. I do not want to go, I want to make it forward, but my image is in this direction only. So to fix that, there is one feature in animation which is called as transform scale X. So scale X means this is your X axis, this is your Y axis. So if I want to rotate from this axis to this axis, I have to do scale X, and I'll have to do -1, and I'll press save. I'll keep this before the animation starts, and I press save, and let's see the code. You can see the animation has flipped and the car is going over here. So this is the basic way how to do an animation. Thanks, join me later for more better animation, better features of animation, and advanced features of all the same. You can practice this. I'll be sharing you all the images and the backdrop. Just pause the videos and keep practicing. Thank you.